Here's how to find save files for any Steam game. 5 locations ranked from most common to least. Location 1. The game's installation folder. Right-click the game in Steam, go to Manage, then browse local files. Most games do not store saves here, but some older or indie titles do. Check for folders called Saves or Save Game. Location 2. Steam user data. Navigate to C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam, then User Data. Each numbered folder is a Steam account ID, and inside each one, numbered folders represent games. If a game uses Steam Cloud Saves, they are usually here. Location 3. My Documents. Go to C drive, then Users, then your username, then Documents, then My Games. Many AAA games store saves in a folder named after the game here. Location 4. App Data Roaming. Press Windows R, type %appdata, then %, then press Enter. Some games store saves here inside a developer or game name folder. If nothing is there, check Local and Local Low folders in the same app data directory. Location 5. Local App Data. Press Windows R, type %local app data, then %, then Enter. This is one of the most common locations for modern games, especially Unreal Engine titles. Look for a Saved or Save Games folder. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.